Washington with a thanks to Richard Wolverton and Ryan Snow for putting the car together. That is Bryce Randall. And starting on the pole in the 43 out of Tenino, Washington, sponsored by Free Junk Metal Removal, Jake Mills. And we are green flag racing 3 wide as they come across the start-finish line. That didn't work out very well for the 43 of Jake Mills. As they come through the chicane on the back stretch, 8 laps is this heat race, 8 laps. Ryan Snow is your leader, but Steve Pearson quickly closing in on Ryan Snow as he's trying to set Snow. Oh, Pearson gets loose coming out of turn number 2. Pearson was trying to set Snow up for the pass at the chicane. Now Charles Lemaire is going to go by Breitzman, take that 3rd spot away from the 46 of Sean Breitzman. Meanwhile up front, Steve Pearson goes by on the inside of Ryan Snow. Takes the lead on the backstretch. And Pearson out front, Charles Lemaire doing what he can, but Pearson out front early, a clean track in front of him is going to be hard to catch. 3 of 8 in the book. Now halfway in this 8-lap heat race, Steve Pearson, Ryan Snow, Charles Lemaire, that is your top 3. Now Lemaire trying to work by Ryan Snow. Charles Lemaire moves up into the 2nd spot as they come across the start-finish line. White flag on your leader, Steve Pearson. Your winner, Steve Pearson, followed by Charles Lemaire, then Ryan Snow, Sean Breitzman. Rounding out the top 3, Jake Mills. Washington with a special thanks to Ron Jr., Tim and Charles, and errands of Chehalis, Ron Schlund Sr. Starting on the outside of the front row in the 66, out of Roy, Washington, sponsored by Christian Biker Tabernacle and Adult Family Home Service Center, is Dennis Lalander. And starting on the pole in the 31 out of Tenino, Washington, sponsored by Free Junk Metal Removal and Eddie's Automotive, Zach Lorick. Kevin Pegg trying to make a move when he got to the chicane, but he's going to back up a few spots now. A lot of beating and banging in the very back. That was Kevin Pegg and Justin Florick getting together. Meanwhile, we go up front. We find the 31 of Zach Florick, your early leader. As the field comes out of turn number 4, they are single file front to back. Zach Florick, Ron Schlund, and then Richard Wolverton currently running 3rd. Chris Brannon right up onto the rear bumper of Wolverton. Brannon came into the night 2nd in the season point standings, 10 points behind Charles Lemaire. Halfway, Zach Florek continues to lead the way, but Ron Schlund Sr. closing in quickly on the leader. And one down in the grass. The 11 of Devin Rothmeyer. Chicane, Zach Florek with Ron Schlund Sr. within a car length. Florek's going to come out of 4 and see the white flag. One more time around. Florek trying to hold off Ron Schlund Sr. Senior is going to close in once they get to the chicane. Try to make a move as they come through 3 and 4, but Zach Florek sticks it on the bottom of the track. Your winner, Zach Florek, followed by Ron Schlund Sr., then it's Richard Wolverton and Chris Brannon coming across 4th. Justin Florek will round out the top 5.